Hey everybody, this is Ryan Whitener here at the Cat Compact location in Cumming, Georgia. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 255, which replaced our previous Gen 259. So from the 259 to the 255, there's been a lot of changes, all based on the feedback of our customers. The first one being there's 22% more room in the cab. So you're getting more leg space. There's upgraded seats, upgraded monitor, upgraded joysticks. Basically everything inside of the tractor has been upgraded to based on our customers' feedback. The next thing that was changed was you can see the lift cylinders here have become a vertical lift tractor. So what that means is you're getting more lift height, and it's also allowing you to get more breakout force. So Caterpillar has always been very big on serviceability. So you see here, you have your hydraulic gauge and fill. You can see in the engine bay that they actually dropped the engine 6 inches. So they did that by moving the fuel tanks on the side, which has allowed for better visibility out the back and also easier maintenance. So all of your daily maintenance checks are right here. You got your single plane radiator, which is easily cleaned out in the morning, which allows you to spend less time on your maintenance checks and spend more time working. Another upgrade that Caterpillar made to the serviceability of the machine was moving the air intake up here. So that's allowing cleaner air to get in there and allow your cab air filters to last longer. The 255 is a 9,500-pound machine with 74 horsepower, which allows it to be a good Swiss Army knife for all sorts of applications such as general construction and landscaping. If you want to know more about the machine or have any questions, come see us at the Cat Compact location here in Cumming, Georgia.